Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Google Play cards. First, find the 16-digit code on the back of your physical card, usually under a scratch-off strip. Next, open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Payments and Subscriptions. Choose Redeem Gift Code and carefully enter the 16-digit code. Your balance will update instantly. Once your Google Play card is redeemed, you can use the credit for a wide variety of digital content. This includes purchasing apps, games, and in-app items directly from the Play Store. You can also rent or buy movies and TV shows through Google TV or subscribe to premium services like YouTube Premium. Don't forget ebooks and audiobooks from Google Play Books. To check your current Google Play balance, simply open the Play Store app. Tap your profile icon, then go to Payments and Subscriptions, and select Payment Methods. Your Google Play balance will be clearly displayed there. If you encounter any issues redeeming your card, such as an invalid code, contact Google Play support for assistance. Always keep your Google Play card details private and secure, treating them like cash. Only purchase cards from authorized retailers to ensure their legitimacy and avoid scams. Remember, Google Play credit cannot be transferred to another account once redeemed. Be cautious of any requests for gift card codes as payment outside of official Google Play purchases, as these are often phishing attempts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.